welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a new series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week, we'll highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay more informed on new releases. This week, we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is Kinepic's 9-inch Step Cut Extra Large Cable Shears, which feature dual cutting edges for easier cutting. Its front cutting edge is used for the gradual cutting and nibbling of larger cables, and the back cutting areas position the cable closer to the joint for additional leverage. Next is the LiftMate mobile tire and wheel lifts from Quality Stainless Products. Designed to help improve shop productivity while reducing the risk of injury, the LiftMate comes in 200-pound, 350-pound, and 500-pound capacities. Our third tool is Streamlight's Wedge BiPack, which features 12 wedge EDC lights and is designed for a clean pocket carry with a rotating thumb switch and 2 light settings. The next tool is the Pull Proxtant Pulling Tower from H&S AutoShop. It offers 1,300 pounds of pulling power at 65 inches thanks to its vulcanized rubber suspension mount plate design. Finally, our last tool is the Twin Cam Inner Cam Bearing Remover/Installer Kit from OTC Tools. This kit contains the tools needed to remove and install inner cam bearings without damage to the crankcase. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletters and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.